If you want to split a video in CapCut quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut a clip on the timeline, plus the fastest keyboard shortcuts so you can edit much faster. Whether you're trimming mistakes, removing pauses, or creating clean transitions, splitting clips is one of the most important basics to learn in CapCut. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and bring your video into the project. You can do this by dragging your video directly onto the main timeline track. Once your clip is on the timeline, you're ready to make your first cut. Now look for the playhead, which is that vertical white line moving across the timeline. Drag the playhead to the exact frame where you want the split to happen. Take your time here, because the more precise your playhead placement is, the cleaner your edit will be. After you've positioned the playhead, go up to the toolbar directly above the timeline and click the split icon. It usually looks like two overlapping squares divided by a line. The moment you click it, CapCut will instantly divide your video into two separate parts. This is perfect when you want to remove a section, add an effect between clips, or just separate one part of your video from another. Now let's talk about the faster way to do it. If you want to work like a pro and save time, CapCut gives you keyboard shortcuts that make splitting clips much easier. On Windows, simply position the playhead where you want the cut and press Ctrl+B. On Mac, do the same thing and press CMD+B. That's it. No clicking around, no searching for the button, just a fast shortcut that instantly splits your clip at the playhead. If you do a lot of editing, this shortcut can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of stopping to click the split tool every single time, you can stay in the flow and make cuts much faster. This is especially useful if you're editing talking head videos, tutorials, vlogs, or short-form content where you need to remove mistakes and tighten up pacing. There's one more tool that can be really helpful, and that's the blade tool. To use it, press B on your keyboard. This changes your mouse cursor into a razor blade, which lets you click directly on the video track to slice it manually wherever you want. It's a very flexible way to cut clips, especially if you like working visually. If you want to go back to the normal selection tool, just press A, and your cursor will switch back to the regular arrow. A great editing habit is to zoom in a little on your timeline before making precise cuts. That makes it easier to hit the exact frame you want and avoid awkward jumps. You can also make multiple splits in a row to break one long clip into smaller sections, which gives you more control over what stays and what gets deleted. Once your clip is split, you can move sections around, delete parts you don't need, or add transitions and effects between them. So to quickly recap, drag your video to the timeline, move the playhead to the exact frame, and click split to divide the clip. If you want even faster editing, use Ctrl+B on Windows or CMD+B on Mac. And if you prefer manual cutting, use the blade tool with B, then switch back with A. Once you learn these basics, splitting videos in CapCut becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let me know in the comments what editing feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.